Do you want to own a villa here in 𝘽𝙪𝙮, the most sought-after area in Bali? Well, this is 𝘬𝗏 Villas and Suites 𝘽𝙪𝙮. Let me tell you more. With our progress going very smoothly, we have 5 villas already completed, 2 sold, and 3 left for you. So, why 𝘬𝗏 Villas and Suites 𝘽𝙪𝙮? Well, first off, we will have a net rental that yields up to 15% for every villa owner. It will also be managed by 𝗧𝗟𝗡 Hospitality. And 𝘽𝙪𝙮 is a great location with famous places in Bali such as 𝘽𝙪𝙮 Beach, the airport, and also the famous 𝗬𝗥𝗗. And here in 𝘬𝗏, we will also have a 5-star hospitality standard. And because progress is going smoothly on schedule, we will have handover by December this year. 𝗧𝗟𝗡 Development have started projects since 2013. This is now our 8th project, and we have past experience with projects like Hideaway Villas Uluwatu, Ungasan, Hideaway Ubud, and also Domisili Villa Canggu, which is now number 3 best villa in Canggu. Now, let me tell you about the hands-off experience. Who will manage it? It will be managed by 𝗧𝗟𝗡 Hospitality, and we will provide fully serviced living. So, daily housekeepings, airport pickups for friends and family, pool maintenance, and many more. And we're also very flexible, which you can use this as your own private residence or put it on rental. That's your choice. And if managed by 𝗧𝗟𝗡 Hospitality, all operational costs are taken care of. Well, you better hurry up and secure your unit now because we only have 10 units left. And for the 2-bedroom, our starting price for the 100 years lease is 3.7 billion, and for the 150 years lease is going to be 4.46 billion. And for your information, early bird price will end on October 1st, 2026. So come on and secure your unit today. You do not want to miss this. This is 𝘬𝗏 Villas and Suites 𝘽𝙪𝙮. Thanks for watching. Bye.